So in this tutorial I'm going to take you through some of these little buttons here at the top. It's really just some of the basics that you would require if you do anything. Obviously these are used quite a lot if you want to undo some functions, or you've realized you've undone the wrong thing and you want to redo, you want to copy and paste, or you want to cut it and move it to a different area, you want to flip something, you want to do a symmetry of something, you want to delete, or you want to view all, clear all. So there's multiple basic functions that you would need to use on any project that you do. So if we had to draw a line here, let's start with something basic, and we want to undo it. Realize that line is wrong, simply undo it. If you want to redo what we've just undone, we can just say redo. It removes or it adds it back. Now we want to copy and paste it, simply copy and paste it, or we can say we want to cut that one and we want to paste it rather in a specific location. Now if you want to use a flip horizontally, it typically won't really work for something as straight as this, but let's say we want to use we want to do a rectangle figure here, and a part of this figure we want to flip horizontally. Now if we flip it horizontally, as you would see, it now moves it. It literally flipped it that way around. If you want to flip it vertically, it's going to change it that way around. So you can see you can really play with those type of objects, especially where you want to copy something that you've already done to the bottom or to the right. So that's something that you can use quite often. Now if you want to use the symmetry option, it's going to ask you here, please click the symmetry line or press escape to cancel. So there it will connect it to the line that you've specified. If we had to click here, it would have done a different thing. So it literally just replicates what you've done into a symmetry. If you want to delete something, we can just click on that object and say delete. It deletes it. If it's view all, we say it just adds all of the objects into one screen. That's typically something you use when you have larger projects. You want to see the entire project. Maybe you've missed something that's somewhere in a corner that you might have missed, so it adds everything into a full view for you. And clear all is it's literally going to delete everything on the page. So that is the basics on the top here.